violence.
What?
I call shotgun. Oh God, is that the horn? Ugh, that sucks. Catch up to him. I'll jump over, crawl inside, and shoot him repeatedly until they're unrecognizable. You're violating my ears with your clapback. Get driving, driver.
We could
Gotta be assertive. Like this.
Hey! Jax!
Ah, that's perfect. Just hold that pose. I gotta get something. You know, I swear there was some kind of bazooka back here, but I'm having such trouble finding it. Here it is. All right, Pomni. You just stay like that, and I'll cross over.
Are you kidding me?
Nice going, Pomni. Now I have no bridge. Ooh, now we're cooking. You should ram into him.
What? You should not ram them. Tommy's still on board.
Do it. It'll be epic.
Why are there so many knives back here?
Do it, or I'll tell Ragatha about the figurine thing. Oh, no more ramming? Guess I have to tell Ragatha about the thing now.
What?